How about this faucet? It's all plastic RV faucet off eBay. It's like 25 bucks. It's lasted 4 years. But today I'm going to install a Glacier Bay single handle pull down spout. See how it goes. Went to install it. There wasn't a valve on the hot. 1984. But I had one in my plumbing supply, so it pays to be a plumber. Brand new valve. Trying to get the faucet put on. The faucet's done. I don't even think it took a half hour. I'm a master plumber in 2 states. Everything just hooked right up. I had to put one valve on, but I had one. There's the new faucet. Looking good. Looks good. Now to reach into the other sink better. I'm real happy with it. Hooked up quick. Glacier Bay. Tightened up 1 5/8 nut on the new valve. Shouldn't put it on poly, but that's all I had and it's working. So the faucet's installed less than a half hour.